Welcome back to Beautyistic. If your hair is crying out for some much-needed hydration, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to bring dry, damaged strands back to life. Olaplex Women's No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This deep conditioning treatment claims to do more than just hydrate. It's about strength, smoothness, and restoring the overall health of your hair. So, let's get into whether it lives up to the hype or not. Olaplex is known for its bond-building technology, and this mask is no exception. Designed for damaged hair, it's a liquid formula that intensely replenishes moisture while strengthening your strands. It's made with compostable materials, which is always a plus if you're environmentally conscious. The mask focuses on smoothing, softening, and conditioning, all while reducing hair breakage. Sounds like a miracle in a bottle, right? But let's see how it actually performs. Now, when I first tried the Olaplex No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, I applied it to damp hair, following the instructions. The consistency is thick, but not too heavy, which was a good sign. It spread easily through my hair without feeling greasy, and there was a subtle but pleasant fragrance, nothing too overpowering. After letting it sit for about 10 minutes, I rinsed it out and immediately noticed how soft my hair felt. It didn't leave any residue, which can sometimes happen with masks that are heavy on moisture. In terms of performance, I tested this mask during both my daily routine and after a long, humid day out to see how it held up. On both occasions, my hair felt noticeably smoother and less frizzy after drying. It didn't just mask the damage, it seemed to help improve the overall texture over time. The claim to reduce breakage? I'd say it holds true, as I didn't notice as much fallout when brushing. A definite plus. But no product is without its flaws. While my hair felt hydrated, I did find that the mask wasn't as deeply nourishing as some heavier, creamier options I've used. For those with very dry, coarse hair, this might not be enough on its own, and you may need to follow up with an oil or heavier cream for ultimate hydration. It's great for maintenance, but not necessarily a savior for severely damaged hair. Let's talk value. Olaplex is a high-end brand, and the No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask doesn't come cheap. However, considering its effectiveness in smoothing and reducing breakage, I'd say it's worth it if you're someone who regularly uses heat or color treatments on your hair. That being said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives that might offer more intense hydration at a lower price point. When it comes to build quality, I appreciate that this product is housed in a sleek, minimalistic bottle that's easy to use. The liquid formula is convenient to apply and doesn't feel wasteful, especially since it only requires a small amount for each application. I also love that it's compostable, giving it a bit of an eco-friendly edge. As for longevity, this mask seems to last a decent amount of time. A little goes a long way, so even though it's priced on the higher end, you're not likely to run out quickly. And with regular use, I'd say this is a good investment for maintaining hair health, especially if you use it as part of a broader hair care routine. If you're not quite sold on Olaplex, or if it's a bit out of your budget, there are alternatives. The Kerastase Nutritive Mask Intense or Redken's All Soft Heavy Cream are both fantastic choices for those looking to deeply nourish and hydrate without going overboard on price. To wrap it up, the Olaplex No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask is a solid product for anyone looking to restore moisture, smoothness, and strength to their hair, especially if you have fine to medium hair that isn't overly damaged. It's not the miracle cure for severely damaged strands, but it definitely maintains hair health and keeps it looking shiny and strong. Would I recommend it? Yes, if you're ready to invest in a high-quality mask that delivers on its promises. If this review was helpful to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.